The wind blowing today. We have a wind warning. That's some new stuff they got going on now. A wind warning. Keep everybody in a state of emergency. All right, boy Trigger Man, back in the lab, and today, what we have here. We have a 2023 Lexus ES350. There was damage on the quarter, and there was some scrapes, light scrapes on the front fender. So we're gonna take care of that. I'm still trying out this here Sata Jet X5500 that the rep left with me. Left me with the Adam2, and then another little, y'all know the name of it, y'all say it. Them Sata fanboys. Trigger, how could you not know what that's called? That is the, say it. Boy, y'all people a trip, man. But yeah, man, so we still trying it out. And I'm trying it with the, can you see, Timmy? Can you see? No, you ain't gonna see in the light. Hold on. Where you at? The eye. Come on, damn it, there you go. The eye, the 1.3 I in here. I tried the O. O is the same as the 5000, so we will not be purchasing the O. Not for that much dough, you know? Nah, we ain't doing that. Maybe the I, in my opinion, you know? I like our water, LPH 400, that's my baby. Matter of fact, that's what I'm gonna base this with. I'm gonna base this with the LPH 400, silver cap, 1.4, and then I'm gonna clear it with this. You know, this video is all about this here. So far I did one job with the eye, and I liked it. It was just a hood job, and you know, hoods, you can get them to kind of flow out how you want them to. But I'm curious to see what it's gonna do on the side now with this eye. So yeah, and the pattern is, it's long and narrow, just like the Iwata, but this is just coming out at a higher capacity. Yeah, a lot of fluid coming out of this. Sata Jets are known for that. Whole lot of fluid coming out. So we're gonna try it, man, see what's what on this here Lexus. It's black, so we're gonna try to get it real nice and pretty, you know what I mean? So paint code 212, it's a Toyota Lexus, black, straight black. So yeah, we're gonna see what it do, man. I'm gonna go mass up, mix up, and we're gonna get to it. Wow. All right, let's get to it. Going with the Iwata LPH 400 for my base. I have a 1.4 in here, spraying at 20 PSI. Coverage in the first coat. You dig. Yeah, man, so far the Sata with the eye, you know, I'm digging it. And I shot that third vehicle today, the Mercedes I was telling you guys about. And yeah, that confirmed it, man. Yeah, it's official. The gun is official with the eye pattern with the 1.3. As I've been doing the videos and also putting up little shorts of the video of the spray gun, I've been getting quite a few messages from guys that are saying, you know, the gun was leaking. It has leaks from different gaskets and so forth. And yeah, they're talking a bunch of crap about it. I won't say that I believe that stuff, you know. A lot of people, you know, they get their mind made up on one type of gun, one spray gun, and they just go repeating something that they saw somewhere in comments. You know, I don't believe all that, man. I had Satas from the beginning of time, man. You know, every Sata clear gun they ever came out with, I think I just about owned all of them. And I ain't never had no gun start leaking from no gaskets, you know. This gun here is pretty much built just like the 5000. The 5000 also has that little gasket behind the nozzle, and I've had that gun well over 10 years, 12 years. I use it weekly, and it never leaked nothing. You know, I don't know. People just be talking, man. People just be talking. People just be talking. Hi, my name is. But yeah, man, people just be talking. You know. I ain't saying they lying, but I'm not a believer. You know. People just get fixated on one gun. Oh, it's Segola, and then, you know, they read a comment somewhere, probably in a video, and it spread like wildfire. You know, Satas are very dependable. They're made well, and it will last you. It'll probably outlast you if you take care of it. You know, Sata Jet 9 that I have, that gun is 30 something years old, man, still spraying. Okay, here we go. Look at the big fan. That's wide open. I got that wide open. That's the eye. That's at 35 psi. 35. For some reason on this gauge, this Adam gauge, the pressure, I have to have it up a little higher to get the results that I normally get with Satas. Usually I spray them around 32. That's the sweet spot. But for some reason on this gauge, with this gun and this setup, maybe because it's the eye, you know, maybe because it's not the full O pattern that the Sata is used to coming with, maybe that's why I had to raise it up a little bit. You know, I don't know the exacts on that. You know, I've only done a couple jobs with it, and but that's what I find with this particular setup. You know, that 35 psi at that particular gauge. You know, if it was on the analog gauge down at the bottom of the inlet, maybe it might read different. I'm not sure, but that's what it is. And I did every single job the same way, same pressure, fan wide open, even fan. It laid down, you know, no problem, no problem. Wasn't top heavy, wasn't bottom heavy, wasn't middle heavy. I mean, it laid it, man. I ain't got no complaints about it, you know. It's a damn good gun. It's just the price, man. I wish they would really work on that. Because for $1,200, yeah, you know, I might catch them on the 6,000. You know, when the 6,000 come out, you know, I might just grab the first batch of those just for the hell of it. But yeah, I'm gonna have to skip this one, man. I'm gonna have to skip this one. And for those of you who are wondering, or maybe nobody's wondering this, maybe it's just me, but the eye setup will not fit in the old 5,000. So I tried that. Actually, I tried that today after I sprayed the Mercedes. I was like, maybe I can buy the eye needle nozzle kit and put it on my 5,000. Ain't gonna work. I say it's probably me just thought of that, probably nobody else, but I was just curious. Boy, that would have been something. Take the eye and put it on the old 5,000. Man, look at here. But nope, Sata covered their tracks on that one. They covered their tracks. I tried to put that thing on there. It looked all cockeyed, cross-eyed. No haps. Yeah, boy. I like it, 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 I like it. Yeah. All right, we got it done, we got it done. Hey man. Woo. I say woo. What? Trigger wasn't ready for that there, boy. Trigger wasn't ready for that there. Trigger wasn't ready. Yeah, that thing looking right, man. It looking right. That eye pattern. Yeah, boy. Yeah, I had to go get me some UV protectant, man. That stuff there a little too much glare up, boy. A little too much glare on that eye. You feel me? But yeah, man, pretty clean too. Yeah. What we're gonna do, man, we're gonna let it sit up. I'm about to go to lunch. We're gonna let it sit up for a little bit, and for an hour. Then I'm gonna pull it out, see what we look like out in the sun. Yeah, man, that eye is definitely my style. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, I'm digging it. I mean, I don't know if I go spend no $1,200 for it. You know what I mean? I say you can get two Segola 4600s. You can get a 4600 and a 3300. There's a whole lot of combinations you can get for one gun, and you know all the fancy gadgets and all. But hey, some people they like to spend their money like that, and that's cool. You know, I don't knock it. You know, I don't. You know what I'm saying? And I wouldn't advise you do unless you got it like that. But you know, guys that have been spraying in them big shops and making big money and stuff, you know, they deserve to reward themselves with whatever they want, man. You know what I mean? Working in here with these chemicals and everything, putting your life on the line. You know, you deserve to buy whatever you want, man. I don't knock nobody for it. It's just Trigger Man can't see myself doing it, you know. But I see what kind of rate they're gonna get old Trigger Man. You know, they should give me something for the low. You know, I tell the man straight up, you know, I buy wholesale, man. Don't give me no retail price. You know, dig? Yeah, and the rep, the Sata rep, the guy that brought this in to me, he handles everything from Miami to into Miami, like Homestead, Key West, all the way down to Port St. Lucie. So that's the Sata rep. You know, and he goes into all the different shops. So when he brought me the gun, you know, I asked him straight up. I'm like, look, man, tell me straight up, like, what's the best setup? You know, the O, the I, the 1.2, da-da-da-da-da. You know, we in Florida. So he's in and out of all these shops. And he told me straight up, he's like, it depends if you want orange peel or if you want you want it flat. I say, look here, man. What you think, man? Don't, just tell me straight up, man, what's up? I was like, okay. He said the best results that people getting when they want glass out of this gun, he said 1.2 and the O. 1.2 and the O. That's what the man told me. And as y'all see already, I ain't going for the O. You know, I got the O already in the 5,000. You know what I'm saying? So I could just put a 1.2 in my 5,000 and rock like that, if that's what I'm gonna do. You know what I'm saying? Cause the gun is identical, man. It sprays identical. It just looks cooler. You know, this look cooler. You know, it's you know, all that, but it's the same gun. So yeah, so he said that's what the shops that he goes in and out of, that's what the guys are getting the best results with. You know, it's an O pattern with a 1.2. And that's here in Florida with this hot, humid weather. You know what I'm saying? That's not like across a different part of the world or up north somewhere where it's cold. And you know, this is the dude that sells the guns. You know what I'm saying? This is the dude that sells them, and he knows. You know, that's why I asked him, tell me straight up. And that's what he said. And this is going against, you know, what he told me, because this is a 1.3 and this is an I. So but like I said, it varies, man. It's all on the painter, you know what I'm saying? And these are the results I got with this, and I'm happy with it, you know? And I think any shop, anywhere, you know, any painter would be happy with it. But anyway, I'm gonna go to lunch, pull this out in an hour, and we'll see what it's looking like. Voila! Yo. All right. What we looking like out the door? Looking like outside. Y'all gotta pardon that wind. Pardon the wind. The wind blowing today. We have a wind warning. That's some new stuff they got going on now. A wind warning. Keep everybody in a state of emergency. But yeah, so that's what we looking like outside though, man. Pretty good. Got a little heavy right here. One little, y'all see that though? See it get a little heavy right there? That's my only little funky spot. Yeah, so that's what we looking like outside. Sata Jet, X5500, I with a 1.3. Yeah, look good. Hope you agree. And that's it, man. Catch y'all on the next one. Ooh. Oh, yay. So that's what we looking like. Yeah, man. So this is part 2. I'm gonna go ahead and upload part 3 for you guys tomorrow. And that'll be all of them. That'll be the series on this here Sata Jet X5500. The guy is coming back next week. He's at SEMA this week, so he'll be back next week to pick up his gun. I already got it packaged and put away. Took my decup adapter off of it and got it ready for him. I know he gonna be coming in trying to make a sale too. So what'd you think, Trigger? What'd you think, huh? Would you like to place an order? Like, man, if you don't get your ass up out of this shop, man, with them high prices, give me one for $5.99. I'll take it. But yeah, this your boy Trigger signing off. Please like, share, subscribe. I ask that you would be so kind and tell a friend. And after doing so, if you could please tell his girlfriend. Peace.